crazy. I got up at 7:30 in the morning and I opened the mini blind in my living room and I saw what looked like the Colorado River.
And I said to my grandson, we got to get out of here very quickly. Something's very wrong with this water. I've never seen a flood act this way. It was so different than any other flood I'd ever seen. Very scary.
You know, the people here have been through a lot, and as you're making this documentary, it might be tempting to focus on the storm, but the story here really is the people. The way they're coming together and the way that they're putting things back together, it's simply amazing.
I grew up here, and my family is here, but I live in Minneapolis, Minnesota now, so I've come home to help. And I can honestly say this town 2 weeks ago when I saw it was completely devastated. But it's coming back to life every day, and that is not possible without the grace of God and without the help of people just helping people.
Those areas that needed to be upgraded, we're going to do. Those that can be restored to bring back the history of the town, we're going to do. But we need a tremendous amount of help.
The flood may have took the town, but it didn't take our spirit, and it never will.
Probably take a year minimum to even get back to normalcy for some of the people. So keep us in your prayers. Come and help. Thank you.
So again, in regards to all the volunteers that have showed up, we do want to thank you. And for so many that have offered their prayers to us, we thank you from the bottom of our hearts. This has been a long 2.5 weeks, and it is a long 18 to 24 months to come. So we're asking that you come out and support and to help these folks of this historic, rich town to rebuild what once was. And again, thank you for all that have come out and the many donations, both monetary and through food and water and just prayer support. We ask that those prayers continue. Thank you.